What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. G-Pit, amazing weather, Sunday, 11:30-ish. With the Traxxas XMAXX number 3. Tire slayer, that's for sure. Lucky. Question is, did it survive the tires? No, it didn't. It was a short session, guys. Okay. Yep, a large one. Well, I'm not gonna continue to destroy it. Well, fun as long as it lasted. Thanks for watching, guys. So done bashing with the Traxxas XMAXX. Hope you can see this. I tilted my cam so good as I assume. This is the third in my collection. Went through it, all diffs, everything on this one. So this is the latest I got. Anyway, Max 5. The plus version, and also the 56 118 1600 kV. Castle Creations 34 tooth pinion and a 50 tooth spur, hardened machined. I'm not sure if you can see the outdrive. This is the first generation of M2C Racing's, how you say, twin center shaft. When the car flexes, so you don't bend the actual original one piece of center shaft. Brand new shocks. I had them actually in my hobby room in the spare part box, complete. So I built them with the M2C Racing's O-ring pistons and the tin coated shafts. Hope you can see that. 40 weight, way too much. Way too much. Going down to 30, and hopefully it will be good. But it's okay. Besides that, I upgraded the diff aluminum ones. 200k rear, 500k front, and 1 million in mid. Yeah, we got some balloonings, but the car is nice to drive. Way overpowered in my opinion, but it's fun, and it's a true tire slayer, as you already can see. Got some ultimate parts. I would say the Spurgear shaft cover, the front and the rear diff case. This car have, and of course the bell crank system. This car has the wide kit mounted, running Shorched RC front and rear carriers. Now bear in mind, that set from Shorched RC was their first version, and I don't know how long I had it. I probably bought it when it was out, and there have been some problems with thin materials on the actual steering knuckle. But I got the updated version at the customs, so I should receive it this upcoming week. Thank you for that, Shorched RC Parts. Service minded as few. New bearings everywhere, and the upgraded Traxxas servo. That's basically it. Homemade, custom-made ESC mount. And yeah, I talked about chassis brace. I got my own. It's cut out, but it's not bent yet. And to be honest, I don't have any ETA on that yet. Hopefully this week or maybe next week, so I can start pushing this car to the limits. There are some small modification on that chassis brace that I need to fabricate on my own, drill and tap, but that's no issue. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm running the Sunfaro. 6100 100C they claim. Not sure about that, but they work. Get a little bit warm when I push the car, but for my style and my short driving, they work phenomenal. I don't need like 10,000, 12,000, 1 kilo of batteries on each side. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.